everyone. Welcome to this session of coordinate geometry. In this session, we are going to learn the basic concepts related to this topic. For understanding this, let's consider two axes, the horizontal axis. It is called x-axis, and the vertical axis. It is called the y-axis, and their point of intersection is called as origin. X-axis is named as x dash, and y-axis is named as y dash. When these two axes are drawn in this way on any plain paper or any plane, it divides that plane into four equal parts. This is first part called as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. And the x-axis possesses positive values on the right side of the origin, and it possesses negative values on the left side of the origin. Similarly, y-axis possesses positive values above the origin, and it possesses negative values below the origin. And these values of x and y-axis help us to find the location of any point on the plane. For example, here is the point. I want the location of this point. And for finding the location, we require reference. So we will take reference of x-axis and y-axis. So we can see that this point is covering 2 units on positive x-axis and 3 units on positive y-axis. So therefore, its location will be given accordingly. 2 units for x-axis, 3 units for y-axis. This kind of representation of the location of a point is called as coordinates. And the value of x-axis is called as x-coordinate. And the value of y-axis is called as y-coordinate. X-coordinate is also called as abscissa, and y-coordinate is also called as ordinate. Talking about the coordinates, we can say it is a location of a point, or in other words, we can say it is address of the point. For example, if I want to write address of my home, I'll give the street number, the lane number, the area code, etc. All these things are references to reach my home. Similarly, these coordinates are the references for locating a point on the plane. Suppose we are given with the coordinates -3, -4, and we want to locate this point. So we'll first take the x coordinate, that is -3, and next value is -4, that is y coordinate. Now we can see that they both are intersecting at this value. So this is nothing but -3, -4. So this is how coordinates work. Now let's talk about the sign of the coordinates. It depends on the quadrant in which they exist. And these two reference axes, x-axis and y-axis, are called as coordinate axes. So now we know what are coordinates and what are coordinate axes. This whole system is called as coordinate system. And this system is given by the great French mathematician René Descartes. And therefore, this coordinate system is named after him as Cartesian coordinate system. When concepts of these coordinate system are used in geometry, it is called as coordinate geometry. That is our title. In next few sessions, we are going to learn 3 important concepts under this title of coordinate geometry. Number 1, distance formula. In this formula, we will learn when 2 points are given with their coordinates, how to find the distance between these 2 points. And the next concept we will learn section formula. Under this concept, when 2 points are given with their coordinates and the line joining the 2 points, we will find the coordinates of the third point, which is lying anywhere on this line segment, which is dividing the line segment into the given ratio. And the third concept we will learn is area of triangle. In this concept, we are given with 3 points along with their coordinates, and these 3 points are forming a triangle. Then we'll see how to find the area of that triangle which is formed. So let's have a recap of this session.